How to turn off Android without touching the screen. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want a very hands-free way to power off your phone, in today's video we have got some few smart ways to turn off your Android without touching the screen. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So one of the things we can do is we can press and hold the power button. Usually it works on all the Android phones and you just need to go ahead and do so. On some of the phones, you can also hold the volume up or down and keep holding it until the phone shuts down automatically. And if the menu appears but you can't tap it, you can just keep holding the power button and most of the phones will force shut down after a few seconds. Apart from that, we can use Google Assistant. We can say, hey Google, turn off our phone and confirm if prompted. And some devices may also show the power menu. Instead of fully shutting down, you can again force shut it down the device. Apart from that, you can just go over and let the phone run out of battery. It will shut down automatically. That is also one of the methods we can follow up. Usually using the power button or using the Google Assistant is one of the easiest method available. So you can just go over and follow out those methods. For now, we hope this video was helpful and these instructions were helpful too. So give this video a like and subscribe for more.